Hey everyone, welcome to my THOR Kitchen. Today, we're doing a 3-cheese stovetop mac and cheese. Oh my God, it's gonna be so cheesy, so delicious. Let's get to it. While you're sorting out your ingredients, grate your cheese. Today, I'm using a cheddar, smoked Gouda, and Parmesan. While you're doing that, get a pot of water boiling and salt it heavily for your pasta. We don't want to be waiting for water to boil. All right, let's move to the stove. So we're gonna start with our cheese sauce, get it nice and creamy and delicious, and then we'll work on our pasta and combine them together. Okay, first, butter in the pan. Let's get it melting. Okay, now that our butter is melted and bubbling, we're gonna add equal amount of flour. Drop your heat just a little bit. We don't want this to burn. Just keep it moving. Now we'll go in with our milk. Okay, since we got our base here, we'll whisk in our cheddar and our Gouda. Oh my God. Look at that. Look how creamy that's getting. Beautiful. And now a little sprinkle of Parmesan. Tell me you don't want to take a bath in this. We're gonna go on the really low simmer burner there. All right, let's drop our pasta. And let's keep whisking it so it doesn't develop a film. We just gotta wait for the pasta to finish cooking and strain the pasta and add it to our cheese sauce. Done. And just fold that. Holy God. Now, if you were to do baked mac and cheese, you would undercook your pasta and you would bake it. I don't like baked mac and cheese. I like it creamy and velvety and like as if it came out of a really fancy restaurant. And this right here, look at that. Oh my God. All right, let's put it on the plate. Oh my gosh. The smoked Gouda, you can smell it. It is over the top. Some Parmesan. Let's do a little black pepper. And now some chives. And there you go. 3-cheese mac and cheese.